Get a feel for the 2022 Nissan Altima. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, keyless start, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.